Degrade. To treat someone with disrespect. Don't degrade others, be kind. The boss degraded him in front of others. Degrade. To make something worse or lower in quality. The environment is being degraded by pollution. Improper storage may degrade the quality of the meat. Poacher. A person who illegally hunts, captures, or kills wild animals or birds. The poacher shot 2 rare eagles in a protected area. The police caught a poacher with a tiger skin. Counterfeiter. Someone who makes fake copies of things, especially money. The counterfeiter printed fake money at home. The counterfeiter sold fake shoes at a low price. Fugitive. A person who is running away or hiding from the law. The fugitive escaped from prison and has been on the run for weeks. The fugitive changed his identity to avoid being caught. Trespass. To enter someone's land or property without permission. It's illegal to trespass on someone else's land. You are not allowed to trespass on private property. Forge. To make a fake document or signature. She was arrested for forging bank documents. He forged his father's signature on the school form. Infamous. Famous or well known for something bad or negative. The infamous thief was caught yesterday. The city is infamous for its traffic jams and pollution. Wilt. To become weak or droopy, often due to lack of water or heat. The flowers begin to wilt in the hot sun. The flowers will wilt if you don't water them. Vast. Very large in size, amount, or extent. They explored the vast ocean. She has a vast knowledge of history. Congested. Blocked or overcrowded, making movement or flow difficult. The roads are congested during rush hour. She couldn't breathe properly because her nose was congested. Baggy, loose-fitting or not tight, especially for clothes. She bought a baggy sweater for the winter. These pants are too baggy for me. Monotonous, boring and uninteresting because it's repetitive. She got bored with the monotonous routine. The lecture was so monotonous that many students fell asleep. Pensive, deep in thought, often with a hint of sadness or seriousness. She looked pensive while staring out the window. His pensive silence made everyone uncomfortable. Phony, fake, not real, or dishonest. Don't trust him, he is a phony. That watch is a phony, it's not a real Rolex. Grudge, a feeling of anger, resentment, or dislike towards someone, usually because of something they did in the past. She still holds a grudge against her friend. Let go of your grudges and move on. Astute, very smart, quick, and able to understand things easily. She gave an astute answer during the interview. An astute politician knows how to win people's trust. Paramount, very important or more important than anything else. Education is paramount for a better future. Safety is paramount when driving a car. Tipsy, slightly drunk. She got a little tipsy after 2 glasses of wine. He was tipsy but still able to walk. Numerous, many, or a large number of something. There are numerous people at the market. She has received numerous awards for her work.